Good morning. Good morning. Since I can't get a good picture of you, I will take a video. Is that okay?
It's the only charge card to earn triple points on airfare, double points on gas and groceries,
Look over here, boo boo. Hi. How you doing? You can't eat the sheet, boo boo.
Start earning brilliantly. Call 1-800-AXP-GOLD or visit axpgold.com to apply.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Daddy says your hair makes you look like an onion. What do you think?